Hi everyone, I'm doing this video in case you ever have a problem assembling the SlimLine displays. It comes in three pieces. You have the base, which is countersunk, and there's a whole countersunk, and then you have the tall piece, and you have the screw. All of these have been assembled and then unassembled using the screws that we provide with it. The hole looks very, very small on there, but trust me, the screw went in and out of that hole and will go back again. So you'll start out with this, taking the screw and putting it into the wide hole, which is where it's in countersunk, and just screw it in so it comes out on the other side about a 1/2 inch approximately. Now, that you've done that, line it up at the bottom. Make sure you've got the bottom has an angle on it, so make sure you've got that there. Yep, and you line the screw up there with the hole. And hold the base and the tall part while you assemble them, or lean it against the table or something so the base doesn't swirl around on you. And when it gets tight, then you kind of adjust. If it's not adjusted properly, you can just adjust it and then make sure it's lined up perfectly. And there you have a beautifully assembled display. So I hope that helps. And if anybody has any questions whatsoever, please contact us. And these displays are for sale on Etsy under debVdesigns. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.